I'm Neil Doyle, I'm from Ireland, and this is my Hair of Istanbul journey. So I think I discovered Hair of Istanbul probably about 6 or 7 years ago on Instagram, and it was around this time that I was starting to lose my hair. And of course, anyone in my position who sees this video will know that's a pretty awful thing to happen. So as time went on from that point, hair started to disappear, confidence started to go. There's only one place to go. So, discovered Hair of Istanbul on Instagram. Of course, was interested. The way things were going with my hair, I had to keep looking and checking how things were going with them. Seemed pretty reliable. So I went further, got the number, found the website, saw people like me who went over, got hair transplants, and how they looked a year later, and thought, that's what I want. So, got the number, got in contact with Hair of Istanbul. Straight away, maybe an hour or two after I'd emailed them, contacted me through WhatsApp, asked me what I wanted, sent them a couple of photos, my problems, what I was looking for. And all I really wanted was a hairline. I didn't want to have receding hairline, bald spots, lack of confidence. It takes you down a notch, especially when you're young. So we organised it, we talked through. A year later, I decided to bite the bullet. And I don't regret a single moment of it. I think from the moment I arrived in Istanbul, Hair of Istanbul's service has been 5-star. Picked up at the airport, translator to talk us through things, how the operation was going to go, brought us to our hotel, booked us in, checked us into this wonderful room, this beautiful hotel, as you can clearly see. Anxious, nervous, excited, didn't know what to expect. To be honest, I didn't think I was ever going to come here and do this, so it was a bit of a shock. But yeah, from the moment I walked in to the hospital in Hair of Istanbul, I was nervous because I was surrounded by so many people. I didn't know, obviously, the hair had taken a knock on me. I didn't know what was going on, but everyone was so helpful. Everyone just wanted to see, right, what does this guy want? What do you want us to do for you? Let us help you. Told him what I wanted. Went into the operation table, smooth. Like butter, no problems, even got to sleep for a few hours. And by the end of it, I got up and I got exactly what I asked for. And that's all I really wanted.